Hey MechWarrior, welcome back to Open Plays MechWarrior 5. We're here in Tukiyad, whatever, this place right here. I decided we're going to go ahead and push our luck. We're going to run over here and do a demolition on a 120. Just to see if we can wake up Ghost Bear. Now, I'm not even clearly sure why I want to do this, but here we are. It's a 120 demolition. Nothing else special going on except for the fact that it's nighttime on the ice, I guess. Kind of like, what's the show that does ice stuff? Ice Capades. There you go. Yeah, we don't want cash. We want to take them for every mech piece we can. And that's not much. But hey, we're going to need to make repairs. Might as well get some cash as well.
Mind the weather, Commander. It'll compromise your visibility.
Need stuff that's good at tearing up mechs and banging the heck out of a city as well. Not really sure what, and it can still stand up to the crap that's coming back at it. So not really sure, but I think I'm going to take this guy, even though his armor kind of sucks. This guy got to go a little slow. This guy. Oh, hey, I got to paint that one. That's the S. Pretty much all the standard ones. My standard one. Didn't get the red because they only get 2 color. That's why the black for the tertiary. And that should be backwards. Red, white, and blue, but that's okay. Let's go. Of course, I decided to do that before I got comfortable in my chair.
Warning. Hangar doors opening. Stand clear.
Reactor online. Sensors online. Weapons online.
Yeah, at least it's ice.
Destroying the Morg's
Oh, hey,
industrial
right there, too.
infrastructure will destabilize the opposition's grip on this region.
I'm
Something
going to
our
win this one.
benefactors are willing to spend a great deal of sea
I
bills to
hope.
see done.
1,700 meters. The D has a LBX-10. Wrong side of the ship. Building destruction.
We're making progress, but still have a long way to go. Keep at it, everyone.
Of course, the deal is we still got to get out of the city. Or get picked back up again, whatever. Not a good place for that. Follow me, boys and girls. Let's go.
Shifting to your position. The area is down to half capacity. Keep going.
I can't see the other half. Here's a good spot right up here. A little bit too far for that. I suppose you could kind of call this a cheat. So all we got to do is run through. Yeah, here they come.
Target acquired.
There, I killed some.
Destroyed.
This area is on its last legs, Commander. Just one final push, and then we can all go home.
Bad guys behind us. They do not like me.
We are engaging now. Hostile mech down.
Target acquired. New target.
Add one more to my kill count. Roger on that attack order.
Oh boy, here comes all the people now.
Reverse. I was distracted. It cost me a couple of minutes.
Target destroyed.
Every last one of those reavers.
New target. Daishi. Target destroyed.
I bet you have.
Destroyed.
New target. Warhammer.
Repositioning.
Target destroyed.
Here we go. We're out of here.
There it is. I'll leave the rest of the demolition job up to you, Commander. Mission complete, Commander. I expect our employer to be very satisfied
Let's
with this
see.
result. Head to the evac point for extraction.
New target.
Tracking your target. Copy. Moving into formation. Component down. I have made it clear, my men. I have made it clear.
Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Took Howard's Hill from me.
Target destroyed.
The father was looking out for me. Cut all those Surats down. Hostile spotted. Engaging.
Almost had to sacrifice that Atlas for that.
Job well done.
Even managed to bang him. I don't think I'll be doing that again soon. Who knows? Another Direwolf A. Center Hill. Pretty much fully there for 49. How many millions will that cost me? 6 million. Pretty much fully there again. Let's see, 280 for a 60 ton. That's pretty good. Armor. Alpha strike's good. It's got it, yeah, they got it down as a skirmisher. I'd call that a sniper. But they didn't consult with me to ask. I think I'm pretty good on the equipment. I might just go with this. And then run like hell. By this, I mean the Direwolf A. I'm going to. I'll spend that money. Yeah, I don't have any of that, so might as well. Bounced him up one. Because that was me riding in his mech. Oh, no, I was over here, wasn't I? Yeah, with the A. Well, Goldman survived. I'll fix that. In a hub. Might want to go back and, yeah, I got to go back and fix off everybody in a hub. Just saves money, big time. And having just spent 6 million, it's not a bad idea. And lots of arenas to make up some cash. Maybe. The reason I'm going after Direwolf here is I just haven't seen any other assault mechs I can take that are the full 100-tonner. And, well, with that making 3 of them, I can form a Direwolf Lance that everybody moving at 51 is not quite so annoying when you can only move 51. That's my story. Sticking to it. Let's do that with... Cool. Got everything. Do not need that. 1 ton is sufficient. Prefer my ammo safely stored. I mean, this might blow the mech, but it won't blow everything up and kill it all. Spreading that out's not a bad idea either, in my opinion. And I got 2 tons. I'm going to put a single here to catch criticals coming in. Then do something that, in my opinion, the clan should do. Now, I was hoping for... I'll take an ECM. Yep, here. 1 ton, right there you go. And give it improved sensors, because that just multiplies your sensor, and, well, you can see the deal. Could have maxed out the... Yeah, it would have been a couple points, like 624, I think, is the max. That's good enough for me. 4.3 to 7.6, good cooling. Moving right along. Another assault mech in the queue. And before I forget, think that puppy. Oh, it's not a puppy, it's a dashie. Or a wolf. Okay. Let's earn some money. Free for all open. 2 of them. That'd be great if you knew what the second mission was. 1 million, less than 1 million. Wow. They're just not paying. And there's really just no way of knowing. You get the storm, so maybe I get that bump for both. I do. 3.8. And that's great too. And I'll tell you the truth. It's an open. I see no reason in hell I shouldn't go in there with everything I got. He needs that one little kick right there in this one. So gunnery it is. And don't want to have to bother locking on for the SRMs. Let's go.
We've got an intense bout underway. This will be interesting to see if these mech warriors come out guns blazing, or if they take more of a conservative approach right out of the gate.
Here's me being conservative. Charge. I'll let that heavy do the shooting for me. I should have come in the heavy. I think I'm pretty sure I could have taken it.
Target acquired.
800 away. Behind canyon wall. I want to figure why sometimes the sender runs at 72 and sometimes at 64. It makes no sense to me.
New target urban mech.
Canopus Delight Limited, offering the best entertainment in the periphery.
Waiting on reload sucks sometimes.
There goes an arm. He's pulling out all the stops.
Got a good shot on me that time.
He's giving the fans something to cheer about.
That's why I want the SRMs. 3 of them, straight center line. No spread, just a bunch of bangs. I got a bad habit of running up on mechs and bouncing off of them. I really don't like doing that.
Just took a hit. Let's see if that shifts the momentum here.
I'd rather be a sniper than a brawler. The heck was that? Like missiles falling from stars. That was a big boom. Only 2 left now. Saving my Gauss rifle for a good shot. If it's still there. There's 1 left. That's it. Blink. Goodbye.
The match comes to an end. Mason was full value for that victory.
I could have dodged that boom, I guess, but and this is a 2-parter. I only got 3.4, not 3.9. Do not know why. I suspect it was too easy. Ooh, that's good. XL engine, but it's shot. The 7 picks will get me 2.5 million. And I still got 19, so that's mine too. And a heat sink, because you see I do use them. It's just not for heat sinking. Got them up to 14. Now some more of this, which means I gotta run hot a little bit.
Because of the heavy weather, your visibility will be compromised on this mission, Commander. Stay frosty.
I'm down. I can't quite read it because of the damn red graphics. Looks like, I think it's about 40 some points. Oh, got extra. We'll take that in cash, please. Can't do it. Damn it, repairs. Wait a minute. Okay. I just forgot to look at tonnage.
The electricity is surging as this arena match is about to go down. You won't want to miss a moment of the action.
New target, Javelin. Target destroyed. Target acquired.
Yeah, adjudication forces. Oh, right over a wing.
New target, Locust. Target acquired. Target destroyed. Target destroyed.
They all gathered up on me, didn't they? They don't like me. I'm okay with that.
Lands an effective strike. Mason knocks another mech out of the fight.
He's on the outside.
New target, Firestar.
Commander Mason strikes him down.
Free money. Fire starter heating me up ought to give me some points towards my last one. Okay. Play games with me.
The entire team has been brought down.
It says 7 of 8. Aha. Well, it's gonna be hard to do another 300 points of energy damage. I'd have to strip off every point of armor on an urban mech like twice for that.
New target, urban mech.
In the far corner. Well, I'll take a little bit of leg hits for that.
Finish! Mason snags a tremendous victory. Fans will be talking after that one.
Get away from that one this time. Since giving a repair base free work for nothing. Mm, 3.5, I'll take it. $26. Got one piece. Yeah, we'll just run them. 5 more. Might as well. And 2. After all that, I only killed one of them. A lot of good stuff. Let's finish this part of it off. I'm not going to take anything out of any of these, I don't think. I'll take that EW countermeasure out. Quick 2. 2. 2.8 because it has an XL engine even though it's busted. I think I made more from this than I did for the straight up pay. No, 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 no. $52 million. That's a nice ending. And where's he at? Time for the reward. I think that one.
You pay me, I fight for you. Deal?
Well,
Deal.
next time, remember, he's 73. He should be come back at my level, if not better. And I gotta stick with these guys on the way up and get them some better skill points too. I think, oh, what we got? The Marauders 3R, huh? Wait a minute. Hero makes the Javelin Woo. That's 2 SRM6s, 4 medium lasers, 40 some points of Alpha Strike, and a 30-ton mech with an XL engine, I think. In other words, not bad for light mech whatsoever, but not a lot of armor. Well, I got one of them too, huh? Ooh, 48 points of damage, 30-ton mech, four me. I forgot about the AMS. That's good. Yeah, still running at 97. And a snazzy little paint job there on it. Copper over jade, folks. Not bad. Ryokan, 38 million. Man, I wish you got that kind of money for salvaging them, but if you did, the money would be really, really unrealistic in this game, I think. Let's take a look at some of my equipment since I really don't want to start something. It's too late in the day and too late in the game. I got 3 left. I'm still doing good. If I get, say, for instance, a hero mech, certain Cyclops I'm looking for that doesn't have one, or even a Night Star WP, for instance, would be nice. I will buy that. No, I won't. Heatsink kit. I thought they said heatsink. We got nah, champion BF is BS. You guys haven't seen it? Want to see one? You gotta make a hero mech, a new one in particular. Don't give it tier 1 crap. That's all I can say. Don't give it, I mean, Bald Fist. This is a brawling 60-tonner that just can't see it, folks. I mean, that's all up close. He's got nothing. You could stand back, pick this dude apart. Okay, here's the question. Another Atlas? I think if I get another Atlas, I'm going to make it the SP. I would love that. If you've never seen it, that's the Spooky. I've seen it, but never in an online recorded video. If I had, I'm sure you'd remember it because, man, it's got stealth armor. Double heatsink kit. Not gonna suck me in this time. Let's jump down one more. Maybe I'll jump over and then go back up again. Looking at doing an inner sphere fight. Maybe even one of the heroes of the inner sphere take me in a little XL engine and build that cash back up so I can spend it on. Nope. I've got enough good heavies. Real good heavies. I don't need another one. And that's surprising because the heavies are some of my favorite mechs, I think. I'm going to let it go. Yeah, we'll jump over here and take a look. No, not here. How much does a dasher cost, by the way? 20 million. Nightstar 9P, that's the pirate version, I think. And it can stay right there. That's kind of a bargain for an XL engine 90 tonner, but yeah, I don't think it with the UAC5s, even if I did Clan. Yeah, what kind of armor boost does it get? 5, mid-5s. No, there's no boost. It's not a hero. Nah, think not. The Atlas, no, the Raven. I don't need a sneaky one that's Raven sized. Well, folks, that's going to be it for this episode. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you next time, and maybe I'll get lucky. Hope is out. Eventually.